When I decided to get back into riding after a long break, I didn't just wanted a bike. I wanted the right bike. And honestly, choosing this one wasn't easy because there were other options that made a lot of sense. Hello guys, good morning. This is your host Ketan and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to speak about why I chose the KTM Adventure 390X. So right now I am at the Malshes Ghat and the weather is very beautiful. There is no one except for me over here. So this whole place is now mine, and so that I can share my thoughts with you about why I got this bike. Coming back after a break changes how you think. Earlier, I would have chosen a bike based on performance or excitement, but this time I was thinking about confidence, comfort, and how quickly I could reconnect with riding. Basically, a bike that could take me places. So, I wasn't looking for the fastest bike, I was looking for the right balance. I did look at other options. Some bikes felt more comfortable but less exciting. Some had more power but felt a bit too aggressive. Some looked great for touring but not ideal for everyday riding. And I wasn't looking for a bike for everyday riding. In short, every bike made sense, but just not for my situation at that moment. The turning point came when I asked myself one simple question: which bike will make me want to ride more without making me feel overwhelmed? And that's when the KTM Adventure 390X started making more sense. It comes loaded with all the features that I want to have in my bike, and I just love the way it looks. I didn't wanted a bike just for the weekends. I wanted something I could ride in the city, take on the highway, and even explore rough roads occasionally. This was important because I didn't wanted a bike that I would outgrow quickly. Of course, choosing this bike also meant accepting a few things. It's not the most comfortable in heavy traffic. There is a noticeable heat on your right ankle and strong vibration around 5k RPM, and it still demands attention while riding. But I was okay with that because those were trade-offs I understood. In the end, I didn't choose this bike because it was the best on paper. I chose it because it felt right for where I was as a rider. So in the end, it just wasn't about the specs, but it was about the look. Most, especially for me, I like the look of this bike more than the Himalayan. Himalayan is like a very classic and a very simple looking bike. So I went for this bike just because of those looks, and it isn't just about the specs, but it's about how the bike makes you feel. The bike makes me feel very confident, and that's what matter. When I first took the test drive of this bike, I instantly got connected with this bike, and obviously all those features this bike comes with. So this bike makes me feel comfort, and it feels very exciting. So that's why I chose this bike. It's like all in one package, and that is why I felt this is the best riding partner for me after the comeback. If you are thinking about the comeback, and or if you are planning to buy a bike, please let me know in the comment which bike are you interested in buying, and share your thoughts. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Till then, I'll see you in the next one.